I worked for those people 6 days a week, 14 hours a day. You know, I got the job done, and I could show you letters. I can show you my pay stubs where they took my insurance deductions, but somehow did not pay. What happened at that point after they took insurance premiums from my check and did not pay alt care, threw me into what they call pre-existing conditions. That is a 60 or 90 day consecutive lapse in insurance. So that happened to me. I didn't even know it. You know, I didn't even know, because I had the deductions taken from my check. I didn't know they weren't paying. So I received another job July 2nd of 07. I worked 90 days. I qualified for their insurance coverage, which was the same, alt care. Thanksgiving of 07, I had a heart attack. And when I got out of the hospital from the heart attack, I found out that alt care sent me a letter and said they are not paying the bill, or any other bill basically, because I was under pre-existing conditions. Well, when you're $90,000 in a hole with no job and people calling you daily, and you're going from a man who took care of his own to somebody writing letters and begging help and stuff like that, it's not a good feeling. It's not a good feeling at all. It's not. I had an invitation through my brother-in-law Paul Santelli to go down and see Senator Obama there in September, which I was glad to do, and him and I went down, and you know, I wanted to tell him what had happened, and I did tell him, and he listened to me. He answered me. He discussed the issue around, you know, the people that were there and what he planned to do to correct this kind of stuff, which made me feel very good, very good. And he had strength in his words. He, you know when you talk to a man, if he has strength in his words or not, or just air. And so he gave me a lot of hope there. And I told him that I had a pension, but I couldn't find it. And that's when he asked me if I looked under my couch. And I said I did, but it's not there. I said once the PBGC has gotten a hold of it, you get no answers. And then 10 minutes after I walk into my house, the PBGC calls me. You know, it's about a half-hour ride, 40-minute ride from New Philly to my house. 10 minutes after I walk in the door, this guy calls me from Miami, Florida, very apologetic and apologizing about the timeline. And I'm voting for Senator Obama, you know, and on the health care issues and everything else that he stands for. Because I believe this is a race to save the United States as it once was. You know, it can't keep going like this.